So it's been a while since I've talked about my tie line. It's just a rope that I bought from Lowe's. It needs to be raised up a little bit. It's sagging a little bit. It stretches. And this is Rocky. He just came in over the weekend, and we've worked him a few times. One of the things that we noticed with him is just kind of generally like patience. And I can see this tie line from my arena. It's right there, and as I'm right there, and as I'm riding, I can watch the horse out here. And I was riding a minute ago, and I could see he was pawing a lot and turning circles and being impatient, and that's the kind of thing that this horse needs. Sometimes just being tied and left for a few hours is really good for the horse. When he came in, he was real wide-eyed. He's got white sclera, so that makes it look worse. Sclera, I think I said that right. So it makes him look wide-eyed, wild-eyed. But he was really bright when he came in. And standing tied out here and learning a little bit of patience is going a long way towards helping this horse. At the bottom of the rope, I have a big swivel. If you're finding what I'm doing helpful, if you would click the like button, and that will help YouTube know to send the videos out to other people. And I tie the lead rope to it so they can walk circles and they don't get twisted up. It just keeps spinning. And they've pawed out a water hole here, but it's not going to hurt them. They're only standing in a few hours a day. I try filling it in, and then they just paw it back out from the horses that stand and paw. And I don't do anything in particular for horses that paw. I just stand them out here, and they eventually quit. They learn to be patient. They're pawing because they're impatient. And they stand out here on the line and learn to be patient. They quit pawing. It's not something that I have found has to be specifically worked on. They get patient, they quit pawing. And there's a few gnats flying around him he's upset about. And they stand here and learn patience, and it really helps them with their attention towards you. I just did the live video this morning, and I was mainly working on a horse's attention span. And I was riding Starla, and she was looking all over and really didn't have her attention on me. This kind of stuff, having them stand out here and learn to be patient, really helps their attention span. There's nothing that can get to him that will bother him. This electric tape is hot, but they don't get into it. It's not going to hurt them. And they can see other horses. There's horses in that pasture. There's cows back there, horses over here. I'm usually riding in the arena. So they can see stuff that's going on, but they're not right in the group. I get a lot of questions about how to handle barn sour horses or barn buddy horses. And usually when you have a barn sour or a buddy sour horse, it's hard to do something with one horse and leave the other horse in the pasture. You're trying to ride one, and that horse is running around, and you're worried about him running through a fence or no telling what, getting hurt, and then it distracts the one you're riding, and you really can't get anything accomplished there. Just tying one to a line like this and taking the other one and put it in the stall or ride it, separate them, and with one of them on this tie line, that's going to go a long ways towards helping your buddy sour horses. Maybe the next day separate them and put the other one on the tie line. Put one on the tie line, leave the other one in the pasture. The buddy might stand right on the other side of the fence for a while, but they're going to get tired of standing and they're going to go walk off somewhere. That's going to go a long ways towards helping your buddy sour horse. This standing on the tie line helps their mind in so many ways. It's very beneficial. And this is the safest way that I have come up with to leave a horse standing tied. Even horses that don't really know how to tie, they learn how to tie really well and really easy with a setup like this. Again, the rope's just a rope that I bought at Lowe's, swivel at the bottom. I got it at a hardware store somewhere, and just put the loop down and tie the rope on both ends. It's really not much to it. So this is Rocky. You'll be seeing more videos of him. Until next time, thank you for watching.